Which COVID 19 vaccine was approved in May 2021 for phase 2-3 clinical trials for the age group of 2 to 18 years in India? The answer is Covaxin. According to clause 2 of which article of Indian Constitution does the President of India appoint the Chief Justice of India? The answer is Article 124. Eighth question. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular hexagon. The answer is 120 degree. Ninth question. Frogs have a pair of lungs like humans, but they can also respire through which part? The answer is option D, moist and slippery skin. 10th question. Please read it carefully. The answer is option A, G.